Okay, so now we move on to the local installation of PyTorch on Linux. So it's a three-step process where if you already have installation of CUDA or cuDNN, then you can quickly install PyTorch with GPU acceleration with just one single command, which is conda install PyTorch torchvision CUDA80-C Selmith. So all you need to do on your command is just paste it and you're good to go and you can run it. Now, this is for CUDA80. The only difference between CUDA80 and CUDA 8.7.5 is that you just need to remove this command and you're good to go with 7.5. And now this is on the assumption that you already installed CUDA and cuDNN. If you haven't installed, I'm going to run through how you can quickly install this. So as you can press the link down below or easily just search again on Google. For Linux, all you need to do is that you reach this page for CUDA installation where you press Linux and just press this. So the most common Linux distribution I would think is actually Ubuntu, and if you have any other distribution, just feel free to use it. But for the case of what I think the majority of you would use is Ubuntu, so you can use 16.04 or 14.04. just feel free to choose whichever. Now you must download this particular one, which is called run file local. Now once you download it, it's just one single step which you need to do, which is basically sudo sh CUDA and all this bunch of things here, which you just need to just copy this whole thing and paste it in your command prompt. And all you have here, just paste it in your command prompt and run it and just follow whatever that comes after that, which is very intuitive. And you should have CUDA installed on Linux after that. Now, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you have cuDNN, which is also important. And you have here, you reach this page where it will ask you to download. So there's a big download button here. Now it says that you need a membership or you can join now. So if you don't have a membership, feel free to join now, and then you reach this page again where you can log in, and you can feel free to just log in here. And once you're in, you realize that you have to agree with the terms and condition, and you can choose the different kinds of cuDNN, but you can just choose the latest version here. So it's 6.0. So as you can see here, depending on what you installed on your CUDA, if you install 8.0, you have to choose this. If you install 7.5, you have to choose this. So on assumption that you choose 8.0, it's all you need to do is to scroll down to the page where it says 6.0 for Linux. Again, all you need to do is download it. Once you press it, you automatically download and you just run it. You just need to unzip it and then run it and you're good to go. So I've already installed this, so I'm not going to show it to you. And once you're done with that, as I've mentioned, all you need to do is to just copy the command here, depending on whether you're using CUDA 8.0 or CUDA 7.5, and that would be the end of your PyTorch installation with your GPU acceleration here. So that's about it, and you start to realize how this is one of the simplest way you can install. If you already have CUDA and cuDNN, all you need to do is just to run this command. And the harder part would be if you're running on Mac OS X, then there are more things to do because you have to compile the source code from its source. So that's it for now.